This 5-minute solution will show you how to share a game on Steam. First of all, log into the account from which account you want to share a game. Then click on Steam menu, Settings, click on Security, and here make sure to enable Steam Guide. Once done, click on Family, and here enable Authorized Library Sharing on this device option. Once done, log out from your account, and now sign into that account actually where you want to share a game. So once you are in your another account or new Steam account, click on Steam menu, Settings, click on Security. Also here make sure to enable Steam Guide. Then go to Family section, and here make sure to enable Authorized Library Sharing on this device. And here you will get your old Steam account username. Enable your account from here and cross this window. Go to your library and click on the game. And as you can see, this game from the library of my old Steam account. So these games comes from my another Steam account, and now I can easily play this game from my new Steam account. So this is how we can share games on Steam. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.